Hello and thanks for tuning in. In this video we're gonna open this Kwikset Smartkey. This Smartkey is the Traveling Smartkey that I got from Gaelic Wolfling several months ago. It's been sitting around for too long. I'm sorry about that, Gaelic. It's been quite a stubborn lock actually, despite being a Kwikset. I single pin picked it a couple of times, but as soon as I start the camera it's just not gonna happen. So I have to admit defeat on single pin picking and just raking it to keep it travel. So here we go. Let's see if it cooperates. Now that the camera is switched on, I'm gonna use top of the key white tension and just a regular city rake or L rake, light tension, jiggle jiggle. And open. There we go, on camera, finally. With a rake. It's not my preferred method, but whatever makes the job done, I suppose. Guess we can do a little gutting just to see that it is a fully loaded Smartkey. Let's see if everything comes out the right way. The sidebar. Let's see, sidebar. Five wafers. Now, when you have got it, let's see, to rekey it, all these wafers, let's zoom in a little bit. All this wafer has to be aligned. Let's see. I should have brought a tweezer, but I haven't. Now that they're all aligned, we can put it back together, just sliding it on top of there. There we go. Just gonna arrange the spring a little bit. There we go. Now the sidebar. The right way. Oh, I guess it was the right way the first time. Let's see. We need a key. and then the sidebar. There we go. Sidebar back in place. Sleeve. Then we lock it back up. There we go. Remove the key. The core is locked. Key operates. Can put the C-clip back on, put it back in the housing. The housing will not be a part of the Traveling Smartkey kit. That's from another lock that I got. Yep. It's ready for the next one, so the first person to PM me or state that in a comment that you want to crack at it will get it. So thanks for watching.